my report is measuring weather and climate. So the first instrument for measuring the weather is thermometer. Thermometer are used to measure outside and inside temperature, body temperature, oven temperature, and food temperature. The volume of the mercury changes as the outside temperature changes. The volume of the liquid expands as it heats up, representing an increase in temperature, and the liquid contracts when it cools down, representing a decrease in temperature. Instrument is anemometer. So what is anemometer? It is a type of weather instrument that measures wind speed. Some of these instruments measure both wind speed and wind direction. Anemometer are common at a weather station. A cup anemometer is a type of instrument that uses 3 or 4 hemispherical cups mounted on horizontal arms on a vertical rod. Hygrometer. So what is hygrometer? It is an instrument used to measure relative humidity. Humidity is the measure of the amount of moisture in the air. A psychrometer is an example of a hygrometer. A psychrometer uses two thermometers to measure relative humidity. One measures the dry bulb temperature and the other measures the well bulb temperature. The well bulb temperature contains water in the base that evaporate and absorb heat, which decrease the temperature reading. So next instrument is rain gauge. So what is rain gauge? It is an instrument used to measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a certain length of time. In its simple sense, a rain gauge is nothing more than a can which collects water which falls from the sky as rain. So next is barometer. Barometer. What is barometer? Atmospheric pressure is a measure by barometer. An aneroid barometer, one of the most common type, uses salt can air to detect change in the atmospheric pressure. Average and normals. When determining an average value, a month or year worth of data, it's retrieved for any given parameter, and the arithmetic average is calculated by adding the values and dividing by the number of values involved. A multi-year average can also be calculated by adding up all the individual years' average and calculating one average that covers a long time period. Extreme weather. An extreme weather is a type of event that doesn't occur very often. Generally, extreme occur less than 5% of the time when you look at the entire climate record. This event typically affect relatively small areas but maybe become widespread if similar conditions like hot temperature are experienced over a wide region. In that case, many individual station records can be set on a single day.